Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this way I'm going to solve the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix and equate to the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. And what we're looking for is a value of x. So we're going to first start with solving the left hand side. Okay, so that's the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix that you can see there, which is on the left, written in this manner. Now what we're going to now do is we're going to say x to multiply with 1 minus x. Then we say minus 3 to multiply with a negative 1. Then this will give us x minus x squared. Then we remain with a plus 3, like that. So this that we have is what I have on my left hand side. Now solve the right hand side. So we now solve the right hand side. So the right hand side is giving us the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So we have to solve this determinant of the same order. Okay, so to do this we're simply going to be guided by a matrix which has signs. So that is matrix of the first row having a positive, negative, positive, second row which is negative, positive, negative, third is positive, negative, positive. So in this case I'll choose the first row, meaning that I'll multiply the positive with the first inch, which is 1, then with I'll cover the row in the column where 1 is. What will remain is what I'm going to put there as determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Then I'll say now the 0 will give me just a 0, so I'll go with a negative 3 to multiply with the positive, which will be a negative 3. Now I'm going to cover where negative 3 is, the row and the column, so I'll remain with the 2, 1, x and 3. So evaluate this now. So I'll have a 1 outside, then I'll say x times x minus 5. Then I have a negative 3 multiplied by negative 6, then minus 3 to multiply with 2 times 3, then minus x times 1. Okay, so this will give me x squared when I multiply there. So I get x squared minus 5x, then I get a positive 18 there. Then on the other side I'm just going to get a negative 18 when I do everything at once for the first part. So I get a negative 18. Then negative and negative gives me a positive, so I'm going to get a positive 3x. So 18 negative 18 will cancel, give me a 0, so I will remove them. So I will make x squared minus 5x plus 3x, of which negative 5x plus 3x will give us a negative 2x, like that. So this is our right hand side. So we now equate the left hand side with the right hand side. So we're going to equate the left hand side and the right hand side. So for the left hand side, we have x squared minus x minus x squared plus 3. So I have x minus x squared plus 3, which is equal to x squared minus 2x. Okay, so I'm going to take everything that is on the right to the left hand side. So this will give me x. Now when the negative 2x goes to become a positive 2x, then I have negative x squared. When that positive x squared becomes a negative x squared on the left, then I'll add with what is remaining, which is a positive 3, equal to 0. So this is as x plus x, 3x minus 2x squared, then plus 3, which is equals to 0. Okay, now this is I'm saying negative 2x squared, starting with the degree of 2. So negative 2x squared, then plus 3x, then plus 3, which is equals to 0. Now we divide through by negative, so it becomes a positive 2x squared minus 3x minus 3. Okay, so it means that my a in this case is equals to positive 2, coefficient of x squared, then my b is negative 3, and my c is also negative 3 there, as you can see. So to now solve for x, we're going to use a quadratic formula, which is that x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So I will have my x to be equal to, so to be negative, then b is negative 3, then plus or minus square root of, open brackets, negative 3, close, then squared, minus 4 times 2 times negative 3. Then I will say everything divided by 2 times 2. So this gives me my x to be equal to positive 3 plus or minus square root of 9 plus 24 there, when I do everything, plus 24, then over 4. So this would be x, which is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 33 over 4, like that.